time ago on a railway called the LNER, 4 engines working on the railway. One of these engines' names were Gianni. Gianni was the main express engine on the railway. He would go to a big station where he would wait for his coaches. A diesel named Cranky would give Gianni his coach. There you go, Gianni. As the coach was coupled up to Gianni, he would set off. He would steam down the track all the way across the main line. One day, the fat-as-heck controller came to the engines. His name was Mr. Krabs. Alright, engines, I need to make a special announcement. Yeah, what is it, sir? Said Gianni. Be a special visitor coming to the railway. Everyone was amazed, except Gianni. Who's the visitor's name? Said Cranky. Mr. Krabs said, wait and see. Next day, all the engines were out to see this brand new engine. Come, says Mr. Krabs. The engine steamed down the track, and the engine came to the sheds. Special visitor. He's from America, said Mr. Krabs. Everyone was amazed, except Gianni. What's the point? Said Gianni. That's kind of rude, said the visitor. What's your name? Said Hero. My name is Chocolate. Why is your name Chocolate? Because my cab is brown like chocolate. Call yourself Pookie. That is not very respectful to the visitor. You're right. I'm sorry. It's okay. What makes you so special? Said Gianni. Gianni, that's not very nice. Be quiet, you old kook. That is not very respectful, Gianni. I don't care. Should care. You know, please be nice, said Mr. Krabs. Wondering what's so special about me, Gianni. When I was streamlined, I went over 135 miles per hour. I could do that easily. And I can. Only can go 80 miles per hour on the regular. 90 if you're lucky. Why don't we have a race? Nah, I'm good. What, scared? I'm just tired. Wait, I think it's time for the express, so get out of the way. It's okay, you don't need to be so snappy about it. Thinks he's faster than me. No, he isn't. Gianni steamed out to the turntable to go in the station. At the station, he waited for his coaches. Hey, coaches, Gianni. I'll be leaving. Don't you think that you should have been steamed away? Kisser to that engine. Okay. Gianni steamed down the track as fast as he could. I'll show him. I'll go 100 miles per hour, he said confidently. Across the station, something popped. No, said James's driver. You've burst your safety valve. We'll have to stop at the station, but James didn't want to stop. So he jerked, because he was angry. But he accidentally jerked his driver and fireman off the hook plate. James started going faster and faster, and he couldn't stop. Cinders and ashes! I'm going too fast! Stop! 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 Couldn't stop. And he was going so fast that it felt like his boiler would explode. There was trouble. The points were jammed. They wouldn't move. Gianni was still going too fast, and went down the other track as fast as he could. Cried Gianni up on the little track. But the track ended. There was nothing for him to go on. The conductor, or uncoupled the coach from Gianni. Still going too fast. All of a sudden, the track collapsed. He burst through a wooden gate and finally came to a stop right on the edge of the track. He was hanging over a ravine. Rumbled the coach, missed their moving from the momentum. Crushed through the wood. And then hit James with a boom. Day, the fattest heck controller went to go see the damage. Sir, we have determined that the engine was beyond repair and that no one survived the crash. It's a shame. He was my top link express engine, and he died of this. You now, sir, have to get a new express engine. Workmen to get the breakdown train to get the coach out. What about Gianni? He's a dead cause. Well, that's just a rumor. Some people swear that they can see James rolling along the rock. There's no way to confirm it. But let me ask you this question. Do you believe in ghosts? Because I do. Yes, my brand new express engine. Sir, are you sure about this?
I like heads.
Yeah, I need to send this one back. You should.
No!